Ok guys, là nous 11h56 du matin. Nous prenons une position ok à la baisse et après ça nous prenons le temps ok nous prenons position à la baisse pour 1 heure de temps et nous attendons après 1 heure de temps pour nous voir est-ce que effectivement pour position nous te prend ok la réussi. Ma pour prendre pour nous encore. Actuellement, nous 11h56 du matin. Nous prenons une position qui est allée sur un intervalle de temps ou bien un time frame de 1 heure. Et nous pas attendre 1 heure de temps écoulé pour nous venir checker les résultats pour nous est-ce que réellement nous avons fait profit. Donc, nous partons là. Moi, j'ai gagné actuellement $2505 sur compte DEMOA. Son DEMOA account. Moi, je voulais miser pour tout $2500 là. Et si je fais profit, nous sommes capables de garder le taux d'intérêt ici 88%. Ça veut dire si je fais profit, après je fais miser $2500 sur une position de vente, je fais 88% bénéfice de $2505 pour 29 là. Nous partons là. 1, 2, 3 positions. Et nous voyons qu'après une proposition, mais seulement été $0 américain, ce qui revient à dire que je n'ai rien jusqu'à présent. Et tout ce que je peux faire, c'est attendre que les 1 heure de temps soient écoulées. Et qu'après les 1 heure de temps soient écoulées, je vais maintenant être en mesure justement, je serai justement en mesure de voir bien si j'ai gagné ou si j'ai perdu. Nous attendons, guys. Restez patients. On se voit tout à l'heure. Hello, welcome back again to the market. We are on demo account. This is my account and we are live in our chart today. So you can also have your private chart in front of you trying to take in position, but only if you finally decided to initiate the trading activities and then create a demo account on Pocket Option. Don't forget we were waiting for the results okay of our trading position. I have taken a down position, and then what about the result? Okay, what about the hour? So the hour is about to arrive, the time is almost over, and then according to you, do you think that I will win or I will lose? So I don't know. Okay, it's 12 past 54 minutes, and then we have taken the position for example on 12 past 59 minutes. So stay there, guys, and just to verify and to see if the result will be positive. Okay, so I'm pretty clear that it's possible. Nothing is impossible. So I know for the most people trading is fraud, is scam. You know what is scam? Personally, I can say that this is the contrary. Trading is a economic activity, right? This is an economic activity that a lot of people around the world, are using just to earn a lot of money, and instead of working every day without getting a very good average, a very good salary, or a very good passive incomes, you might trade and you will have better result, you will get better result. So this is my private situation. Okay, this case is available for me, so I don't know for you. So you can also win, you can also earn, you can also get a better passive incomes by trading. Okay, as a trader, so I earn over $1,500 per week, and over $5,000 monthly. So it can be your situation, it could be your case. But if you only have the trust, what about the trust? While I am talking about trust, I remember that there's a wallet titled name or named Trust Wallet. So I don't know if you know Trust Wallet, but the word trust is a very powerful word. Okay, powerful word, because this word can change your life. Okay, for example, according to Christianity, people's mind believe in God. So the word trust can be replaced by a synonym. For example, we can replace it by believe. For example, I can tell you I believe in God. Okay guys, Irene guys, this is a very beautiful profit. Okay, so I've took the position with $2,000, and right now you can see that I have $4,000. This is an incredible profit. Incredible profit. Make a clap for me. Make a clap for me, guys. So I don't know how to name myself. Okay, how should I call myself? But guys, there's no other statement, there's no other way to say that. There's no other choices. So by the way guys, as a result, as a matter of fact, I am an expert. I am a master. So right now, by the way, by this time I am talking right now, I will start, using another trading names, another trading username. By the way, this is not Curtis Designski. Okay, only this is Curtis Designski, master trader, by the way, because I'm very strong. So you can see it right now, you can see that. Okay, so I was talking about the trust, the belief, two things that are very important. Human beings, okay, for the human success. But right now I did it. So 2 minutes ago, so I was listening to a music titled name God taught me. So when they ask me, for example, oh, you did it, so I said God taught me.
When they ask me how I did it, I say God taught me. When they ask me how I'm winning, I say God taught me.
Do you understand? This is the kind of belief that you really need to be an expert or scientist, right? I am a scientist, I am a scientific person, so I have a very clear mind. So that's why if I tell you, for example, today the temperature will go wrong, because I am an expert. This is not easy to be an expert, because there's a lot of things to do. There's a lot of practice skills that you might follow, You might catch, okay, you might catch them, a lot of skills, policies, everything. So I know this is so difficult and it takes time. You will not become an expert, okay, only in one day. This is absolutely impossible. You might stay, huh? Oh baby, stay. Oh wow, like Justin Bieber. I'll be fucked up if you can be right here. If you can't be right here.
I know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay, need you to stay.
Yeah, the guy is talking about a girl that can't be right there, okay, or one hand, okay. What does that mean? Stay is a powerful word, like belief, like trust, okay. You might stay, okay. You might focus on the activity that you are entertaining, okay, that you are doing, that you are making. Because let me tell you something. As a personal observation, a lot of people just doing things, for example, just because they are new. For example, I have seen this new cloth, this new brain on TV, and I go to the shop just to buy it because Lil Wayne, just use it before. Let me tell you something. Don't doing things because Lil Wayne did it, okay? Don't initiate any careers, any activities, okay, without the love. For example, there's a song that I very appreciate. People killing, people crying. Would you practice what you preach? Would you practice what you preach? Est-ce que vous êtes prêt pour pratiquer ce que vous prêchez? Est-ce que vous êtes prêt pour pratiquer ce que vous prêchez? Okay, where is the love? The love.
They only generates hate, and when you hate, then you're bound to get irate. Yeah, madness is what you demonstrate, and that's exactly how anger works and operates. Man, you gotta have love just to set it straight. Take control of your mind and meditate. Let your soul gravitate to the love, y'all.
People killing, people dying, children hurt, and you hear them crying. Can you practice what you preach? And would you turn the other cheek? Father, 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 help us. Send some guidance from above. These people got me questioning. Where is the
love? So, quand l'amour ou apprécier, est-ce que pratique? This is the same thing with trading. This is the same thing if you just need to become successful in life. So you might be authentic. You might become an authentic person. Use authenticity in your life. Try to become authentic. What is authentic? What is the meaning of this word? Authentic means the people you try to show, okay, outside of your body, okay? The style, the mindset you are trying to show to other people, to the public, might be the same inside of you. Okay? Inside of you. Don't try to imitate anyone. Try to become a better person every day, day per day, daily, side by side. And one day you will see all that success that you have dreamed about. That's why I'm preaching right now. This is the kind of subject of asset that I am trying to treat with you. What do you know about it? What do you think about it? Okay, so I love trading. I've started 3 years ago. I've started the trading. I began. And a lot of people have said, for example, you will last. Okay? You will lose. You will meet or you will find or you will know a lot of failures. Because this kind of activities is only for right people. You are not right. You are not American. How will you succeed? How should you succeed? How would you succeed? You are not American. You are not French. You are only a black Haitian and poor Haitian. Let me tell you something. When it's time to talk about success, when it's time to talk about, dream, nationalities, skin colors are not very fundamentals. The most important in this kind of situation is, your belief, your mindset, your choice. Love it firstly. Appreciate it firstly. Okay? And make researches about skills, policies, okay? Strategies that you might use daily, to attempt, okay, the higher position that you are dreaming. And then after, okay, practice every day. So I don't know, okay? So in my opinion, for example, I love English, okay? This is my own choice, okay? This is my passion. I'm very passionate about it. So it can be Spanish for you. Not only English, not only, for example, trading. It can be another career, another thing that you appreciate. So more you appreciate it, more you'll become successful. More you practice it, you'll become stronger. Right? So guys, love what you are doing. Appreciate it. Make researches about more tips, more skills, more strategies, more method. More method. And I'm pretty clear and pretty sure one day you will managing it well. You will mastering it well. Like Messi, like Cristiano Ronaldo, like Teacher Tiffany, like every people, for example, that you already know. Every successful man, every successful influencer, every successful billionaire, every successful rapper, musician. Your life is like a museum. It's like a museum. Make sure that all that painting that you just have to paint, you taking care of them. Take your time. Feed it like a baby. Feed your patient like a baby. Like your baby. I already know that if I have a baby, I just have to feed him. Right? Daily, every day, at every moment, taking care. Take care of yourself. Take care of your patient. Try to grow up. Try to get more skills, more tips, more strategies, more method, and take enhance policies and break the limit. Would you like to break the limit? Don't forget, my name is Curtis Designsky. Would you like to break the limit, guys? You can, only if you start, only if you follow all the tips, all the methods, all the thoughts that I have been given to you today. Thank you very much. It was a beautiful and incredible profit. So see you maybe later. I don't know when exactly, but another time. See you soon. Thanks for watching.